Fifth, China introduces PixelMug P1, world's first smart mug with touchscreen features. This one's fun and quirky. The AI-enhanced PixelMug P1 lets you DIY pixel art, generate images, play mini-games, check weather, display photos, or monitor drink temperature. It has a gravity sensor for interactive fun and tools like clocks and reminders, all controlled by swipe gestures. The patent-pending double-layer design makes it dishwasher-safe and durable. Imagine your coffee mug showing the forecast or a motivational quote. Priced around $59, it's affordable smart home tech. China's push into everyday IT gadgets is evident. It's more novelty than necessity, but who doesn't want a mug that doubles as a mini arcade? This could spark a wave of smart kitchenware. That's the first 5 mind-blowing stuff. Check out part 2 for the next 5. What's your favorite so far? Comment below, like, subscribe, and hit notifications. See you in part 2.